Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you join a group into Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application into your phone. And after opening the Facebook, just simply click to these three bars into the top right corner. And from there, you can see this groups option here. Just simply click into that, and after going there you can see all of the groups that is recommended based on your preferences, and from there you can join all the groups if the group that you're searching for is there. Otherwise you can use this search button into the top right corner. From there just simply search the group and then you can get all the groups here. Just simply click to the one that you want to join. And after opening the group, this join group button will appear. Click into that and you will be successfully joined into that group if the group is public. Some group might ask the questions before you join the group. Just simply answer all the questions and submit it to join the group. By following these very easy steps, you can also join any groups into Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.